na name ng band nila. So cute! Pwede?
Acoustic!
Why not?
Pwede pag-isipan.
Ako suggestion ko, The Guapo Boys.
The Guapo Boys!
Ay, yung sister ko nag-text, sabi niya, ang guwapo daw ng singer.
Wow!
Ang guwapo ko daw, Mika.
Okay, yung name, yung suggestion nyo sa names, we will accept them through text, sa text reaction namin. So just to text your reactions and comments, just text react space, up space, name, comma, message, then send to 2366 for Globe, PM, and Sun Sender, and 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers!
Be creative, basta isip lang kayo kung
kahit ano yan.
na pangalan nila.
Kahit gano'n pa ka-weird yan.
Yes.
Basta tulungan nyo lang kami maghanap dahil wala talaga
kahit anong pangalan.
Unique na unique, The Guitar Boys. Ano yan?
Pwede,
Unique yan.
Okay, ano pa kung pwede natin tanong sa kanila?
Ano ba?
Ito!
Ay!
Lahat ng nag-guest dito, talaga tinatanong yan, lahat na pag-group eh. Dapat nagbabanda. Okay, ito na.
Live.
Sabi na.
Love life nyo, musta? Okay, sige. Everyone has to answer.
Pinakamatanda ka sa
Okay.
pinakabat.
Si Carla ako. Para siyang shy boy. Are you a shy boy?
Yan.
Parang yun ang appeal mo eh, pero...
Pero pagkasama namin yan, ito pinaka-wild sa amin.
Ayun na.
What? I love it.
Nagwawala.
So, may love life ka ba?
Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Bakit?
I'm concentrating more on my career right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God!
Honest answer and safe. How about you?
Wala. So,
Okay.
Ay, hindi, kilala ko yung girl. Hindi, joke lang.
Wala ko rin yung sagot mo, wala.
Hindi. Sige.
Oh, meron ka?
Wala daw.
Wala.
Wala.
Yan. Alam mo, ako rin wala. Ako wala. Kung meron kayo suggestion.
peke naman.
Wala ko din, wala.
Wala.
Single.
Single.
Searching.
Searching.
Single and willing to mingle.
O, kaya kung pwede mag-text din kayo ng mga pangalan at mga address.
Ayan, sige.
Sa phone number.
Sino man talong yung pagkapunta mo dito?
Okay.
Acoustic pa rin yung namamayagpag na pangalan para sa inyong banda.
Yeah, text
Wala
na
pa.
kayo.
Guys, mag-text na kayo. Open naman kami sa inyong mga suggestions.
Oh, teka lang. Wala ka pang pinapakita talent sa akin ah.
Wala pa.
Oo.
Except kung nasan yung pawis mo kasi medyo...
Alam mo, siguro kaya ako pinapakita nakakatabi kita. Ano ba talaga? Lalagay mo na ako.
Wag ganun. Sige, kakanta
Hindi.
lang ako.
Sige. Yun na lang. Kanta ka. Kanta ka with them.
Yeah.
Manong pumunta?
Oo.
Pag ikaw napahiya sa akin.
Kakanta ko.
Sige, let's give it up for Oliva and Boys!
Ikaw din na. Ay, malakas pala. Sorry.
I got shoes on my answering machine. And now that I'm alone, cause right now it says that we can come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense, cause you walked out the door. It's the only way I hear your voice anymore. Ridiculous. It's been months. For some reason I just can't get over us. I'm much stronger than this. Enough is enough. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so we're so tired of
Number 74! Thanks!
Second voice ka man laman doon ha?
Alright, tumama yun.
Okay. I'd like to remind everyone about our second game. So, narinig niyo yung kanta kanina, play namin ulit. But anyway, before that, para makasali kayo, is name the song and sing a part of the song. For the second game, pwede kayong manalo ng CD of Papa Piolo Pascual. Here it is. 300 peso load and ang FMCC shirt. Francis Magalona.
May suggestion now. Blame
Ano?
the Fame.
Blame the Fame. The name?
Yeah.
Our name is Blame the Fame.
Try out. Ladies and gentlemen, Blame the Fame!
Pwede. Suggest trio guapos. Nalahing banyo. So cute. Sana maging BX ko isa sa inyo. Yun na!
Why not all three of them?
Alright.
Hindi, faithful.
Searching. Okay, anyways, just text up 1 to up 40 para sa second game natin and send to 2366 open to all networks. Again, mananalo kayo ng CD of Papiol Pascual. 300 peso load and FMC t-shirt. Pag nag-download kayo ng up 3, kunwari, pwede nyo makuha is Paano Na Kaya by Bugoy. Up 4, And I Love You So by Sam Milby.
Pusong Ligaw, Echo, up 5.
Up 6, Can't Help Falling by Josh Santana. Up 7, Mahilig Ka by Larnie Lozada. Alright, here's the second song. Sagutin mo yung phone mo, oh my caller.
Pwede tayo kumuha ng choir, di?
Yes, pwede.
Okay.
Alright, narinig mo na yung second song. Napakadali na yan. Kinanta ng idol ko yan. Dahil part na siya ng banda ngayon na Journey.
Yeah.
Alright, so easy lang yung song. So we have to sing part of the song also.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take the journey to winning by texting in your answer right there.
Yep. At kung ikaw yung top downloader, pwede ka manalo ng 2 gold tickets sa Timbaland Changing Lives concert ni Timbaland, Jojo, and Justin Timberlake.
Kasama ba tayo doon?
Oh, why not? Siyempre,
Kuday ko!
Music Up Late pa, kasama na doon. Tapos magbibigay pa kami ng concert. Ayan, yun siya.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Jojo, I love Jojo.
Jojo.
Golden tickets, saan ba ang pwesto ng golden tickets?
What golden tickets?
Kasi pag nanalo, may golden tickets daw sa
Oh.
concert. So, hindi naman siya sa likod na likod. I'm sure
Ay,
it's
hindi.
medyo
Hindi yan.
in front.
Oo.
VIP.
Bongga Music Up Late,
For
no?
Music Up Late
Oo,
Live.
ang dami
So,
na yun
dapat
dito.
ganun.
Guys, manonood ba kayo nun?
Yeah.
Nakakanta na ba kayo ng nag-cover na kayo ng kanta ni Jojo Timbaland or ni
Timberlake. The Justin Timberlake.
Timbaland.
Ayun.
Timba.
Yung pinaktis namin.
Oh,
Ayan na.
alright. Before that, ito, caller. You answer.
Caller.